In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your LinkedIn posts on WhatsApp. By the end, you'll be able to grab a direct link to any of your LinkedIn posts and share it in a message, group chat, or anywhere else you like. First, sign into your LinkedIn account so you're on the home screen. At the top of the page, look for the Me option in the navigation bar. It's next to your profile picture. Click Me, then choose View Profile. This takes you to your profile page where all your content and activity are organized. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Activity. Under Activity, you'll see a Posts tab. Click Show All Posts to open a dedicated view of everything you've published. This is the easiest place to browse through your content and quickly find the exact post you want to share. Once you've located the post, look for the three dots icon at the top right of that post. This icon opens a small menu with actions related to the post. Click the three dots and select Copy Link to Post. You should see a brief confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. That's it. The shareable link is now ready to paste anywhere. Now open WhatsApp, pick the chat or group where you want to share, and paste the link into the message field. Send it like any normal message. You can also paste the same link in other messaging apps, on Instagram, via email, or anywhere links are accepted. When someone taps the link you shared, they'll be taken directly to your post on LinkedIn. A few quick tips to make sharing smoother. Visibility depends on your post's audience settings, so if your post is limited to certain viewers, people outside that audience might need to sign in or may not be able to see it. If you're on mobile, the same steps apply. The Me button, View Profile, Activity, Show All Posts, then the three dots menu and Copy Link to Post. And remember, the link points to the original post, so any updates or edits you make to that post later will be reflected when people open the link. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to find your posts, copy the direct link, and share it on WhatsApp or any other messaging platform. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.